I wanted to film my favorite winter makeup for you. Just something that I've kind of been wearing like a ton. And this is a good time to mention, this is going to throw off the video a little bit, but this is a good time to mention, if you can see all the sparkles on my face. If you guys remember quite a few videos back, I mentioned that I filmed a lot of these while I was in quarantine. So I have sparkles from another video that I was filming, so I couldn't get them all. So if you see that, I'm going to try and cover it with my makeup I'm going to try and cover it with the makeup I'm about to put on. But that is why I have sparkles on my face, because I'm pre-filming a bunch. So there are a bunch of videos I'm doing in sequence. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a full face tutorial, so I'm going to start off with my Makeup Forever HD foundation. And I'm going to put that on a beauty blender. And I'm just going to blend that into my skin. I'm hoping that this will cover all of the sparkles. But I don't know if I'm going to be that lucky or not. If not, we're just gonna pretend they're not there, okay? Like, just pretend you don't see the sparkles. Because I'm pretty sure that they're gonna be with me for a few days. Okay, well, I don't know if you guys can still see it, but that did nothing for the sparkles. So let's go ahead and do the concealer. I'm just going to put it under my eyes and on any spots. Then I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender to blend that in. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the eyes. So I'm going to take a Moda M19 and I'm going to take the color Cookie and I'm going to use that on my eyes. Next up, I'm going to take an Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to use the color Cola and I'm just going to use that to blend out. Then I'm going to take a smudger brush and take the color Cola and go under my eyes about halfway. Next up, I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush. I'm going to take the color Iconic and use that to highlight. Then I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. So I'm going to take the It by Porous Pressed Powder and use that all over my face. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take my Roxy Contour and Highlight Palette and I'm going to take a slanted brush to contour and I'm going to be using this color right here. After that, I'm going to be taking this blusher here. It's the Zoella ColourPop in Soulmate. And I'm just going to use a blush brush to apply that. Then I'm going to be going back to the Roxy palette and I'm going to use this yellowy highlighter. I'm just going to use the same brush. Normally I do switch brushes for that, but I did not bring any other ones in here, so we're just using that one. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I'm going to take the Benefit Gimme Good Brow and run that through my brows. going to do mascara. So I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using the Marcella Extension Plus Curl Mascara in my tops and my bottom lashes. Last but not least, for lips, I'm going to be taking the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Portfolio, or Portofino? I'm not sure. But I'm just going to be taking this, it's like a nudie pink, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. It actually kind of smells like birthday cake. So this, you guys, is the finished look, minus all the sparkles on my face. Obviously you're not going to be adding sparkles to this look, but I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!